All right, we are back. This is our third and final practice test or review for our Unit 6. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Now, for my in class audience, which is probably about the six people paying attention right now, when I toggle over to show my orange sheet for, for part one, we are not going to have time to stay there the whole time to let you copy exactly what I have written down for my orange sheet. Okay? Because I went kind of big for my part one on my orange sheet because I put every exponent rule on there. All right. Now, that's what I did. Now, some people be like, oh gosh, if Jeffries did that, there's no way I'm passing. Well, you know, who knows? All right. So let's start this off. First, let's actually look at the problem for more than 0.2 seconds. Let's see if there's any exponents on the outside of the parentheses. Are there any exponents on the outside of the parentheses? No. So this is just a straight up multiplication. So I'm going to multiply the numbers first. And I'm going to multiply the variable second. Now remember, when you multiply variables, you add the exponents. Oh, I just literally just wrote 4 plus 6 again. That was hilarious. So my answer is this. That's all I did. Yeah. And it's just by looking at it and dealing with the problem. Okay? All right. Let's look at number 2. Insert giggle here. Now, sorry, I'm a bad person. If we look at these parentheses, we notice that just this section is raised to the second power. That means that this right here is going to mean 2 squared, then x to the 5 times 2. Again, for those that get this very fast, this is going to be painful for these first two problems. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. So 2 squared is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. And now I'm going to bring all this other stuff back down so now I can deal with it. Because that was not the main problem at the time. Oh, look here, my friends. Now this looks like the problem we had previously. And what did we do previously, my friends? Well, we took our numbers and we multiplied them together. we took our exponents and we added those together. And then this poor little y is all by himself. So when we're writing our answer, because our directions, those big, bold, underline words, because, words have meaning. That's why they hurt, friends. Okay? I can't do that anymore. That hurts me. Okay? You put it in the denominator. That's it. It's difficult if you make it difficult. Things are awkward if you make it awkward. Okay? What did I do? I did the order of operations. Okay? Okay? Look, some and if you're people who's in charge of you do this, I'm not against that, but I think it's funny around here. I see so many of these vehicles that has these stickers and bumper things that says "Be patient, student driver." Okay, all right. How many of y'all have seen the Final Destination thing where the car runs into the back of the truck carrying all the trees? That's the road I grew up on. They used to haul logs up and down the road. I got my license. My dad said, "Good luck. Make sure you brake way ahead so you don't crash into the tree truck." We are not the same. Okay. All right. So if you want to know what I wrote for part one, I wrote all that. That's my part one. Yes. That's my part one. Those are all the rules. Why am I yelling? To make an emphasis. Okay. To make an emphasis. Can I go back to the part with the answers? Wonder if there would ever be a place that you could ever see this lesson again. For those needing to fast forward through this lesson, please fast forward to this dance break so this will be the fastest you'll ever see me move. You said move it. I like to move it, move it. Tee hee. Now, but bum I think I'm gonna go back and watch this video and actually like do it at like a faster speed just to see how fast I'm going. Like I might look like the. Has anybody like watched the like the sign language interpreters at like the concert and the rap things? Those people are awesome. They get into it. Now, uh, if you wanted to, you could probably grab, one or both of these as your example. Um, I mean, it's your orange sheet. Um, you do what you want to do. And again, this is going to be posted on Schoology later. Oh, not that one. Nope, nope. See? Uh, do, 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 do. All right. So, is everybody good? Everybody caught up now? We're good to go on to part two. Everybody good? Everybody good. Girls in the front, y'all good? Okay, people in the back that are asleep, y'all good? Y'all awake? We good? People way back in the corner, can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, the other guy's not there. All right, thank you. All right, so Mr. Jeffries, did you wake up this morning and choose violence? Yes. It just depends on which personality gets here that day. All right, double check. Always double check because I don't know what I do from one handout to the next. I don't check these. I don't. I just set them up. It's like a booby trap for everybody. Okay, it's like quicksand for the kids that grew up in the 80s. I thought that was going to be more of an issue, but it wasn't. Okay, when we also Artax die in the swamp of sadness, we thought it was going to be that for everybody, but it wasn't. So double check to see if it will reduce. If it doesn't, leave it alone. Now, if you don't know who Artax is, look it up. So 5 goes here. Now, yes, Paul. Because I've been yelling today. Okay, please read what is written in red. I think it's spelled right. It's not. How do you spell it? Perin. There's an E where there shouldn't be. No, all right. You got to say it a little bit louder. Where? Parenthesis. That sounds even better. What'd you do in math today? We made up a new word. How's that math? It doesn't matter. Mr. Jeffries was caffeinated enough where he could smell colors again. All right, so I checked 5. Didn't work. Exactly. All right, so there you go. Speaking of caffeine, warp speed, Mr. Zulu. Hey, just in time. I just finished. Hurry up so you can copy down the steps. Hurry. Hurry. Lock the door. Lock that door. Run. Run, little girl. You're not. Please continue to move at a glacial speed. Okay. All right. What? All right. So these are our Missy Elliott's. We flip it down and reverse it. Is three and four four and five are like the same problem, just with different letters. That's funny. I should do that on the test. See if people notice. I didn't even notice, and I made it. All right. So there's your answers. Okay. Now, is everybody good? Everybody got the answers? Little girl that moved like a glacier. You got these? You got the steps? Yes. 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 Pond water. Okay. Good job. Now, so what I did, I did something very crazy. Again, I went to the notes and I copied those down. Very, very crazy, very weird. Okay. All right. Part four. Now, I had somebody ask me yesterday late in the third block, can we circle just the letter? I said yes, but you have to make it obvious. You cannot circle the letter like this and expect me to see it. Believe it or not, that is circled. I'll show you. If I had to go get a microscope to zoom in on your paper to see where you've circled the letter, it's wrong. Okay? Okay. All right. Now, I know some of y'all are like, but I always write small. I always stab people. That doesn't mean it's okay. All right? So let's both conform to society, okay, and do the right thing. Why is D our only choice? Say it again. Yeah, the Y's are multiplying. This is symmetric. No, these are adding 5. Whoops. I don't know what I was doing. These two are linear. Okay, now, crazy thing for part 7, huh, or part 4, sorry. Again, I use the definition. X is the exponent of the function. Y value is changed by multiplied. There's the graph. It's almost like wait, let's get in our way back machine. I bet, I wonder if it is in. No way, it's in our Unit 6 practice test 1 completed notes. What now? Coffee. Coffee. Believe it or not, I actually had breakfast this morning. That's one of the different things. I actually had breakfast. I normally don't eat breakfast. I'm also preparing for multiple silly questions tomorrow. The silly questions of silliness. All right, part 8. Man, guys, please don't mess up part 8 tomorrow. I know somebody will. Somebody's gonna be like, I'm gonna show you. Miss these easy problems. There's this guy that works at the farm. My son calls Angry Birds because he always wears a red shirt and he looks like the red Angry Bird from the game. Doesn't help that his eyes are really close together. Sorry. That's how he talks. That's how Angry Birds talks. All right. So for 8, you should have got negative 20. For 9, you should have got negative 1 over 6. But I got 0.6 repeating. Well, what did Mr. Jeffrey say when you get that? Hit the double arrow buttons and get a nice fraction. Yes, I am a dog that meditates. I am a werewolf. All right, for part 5, I said plug in value for X, use calculator. Sorry. All right, number 10. A is 12. B is 3. This is growth. All right. So it follows the order of the English alphabet. After the equal sign, this is A. This is B. Okay? Now, believe it or not, this problem's worth 6 points. 2, 4, 6. Now, is everybody going to circle growth? Are they? Are they? Are they? No, because some people like to watch the world burn. Okay? You do. And I got this from a very neat place. I got it at Target. It's really nice. I didn't get it at Target. I got it from our notes. These were actually from our notes the first day back from fall break, which is October 7th. I think it was a light blue handout. It's very nice, very pretty. Try to do something easy coming back. We had lots of short lessons, and everybody's like, "Oh, this is easy." And then we started getting ready for a test. Y'all were like, "Eek, eek, eek, eek." Twins, are you okay back there? Okay, good. Think they may enjoy that too much. Okay, now what? They just be shocking each other back and forth. All right, so you start populating a fish pond. There is approximately 50 fish to start out. Why is it 50 fish and not 50 fishes? That is, it's a big pond. Okay. If the population triples every 3 months, okay. I should say the population triples every 3 months. I didn't delete enough, but potato, potato. All right. Right. So, how many fish do we start off with? 50. What happens to them? Yeah, look, it's going to be triple or double. All right, triple, double. I very rarely will you see me write quadruple. Yeah, yeah, you're not going to hear me say like quintuple. Okay, now this is something again kind of crazy, kind of obvious, but remember, common sense is like deodorant. People that don't use it need it, and everybody else around them has to suffer. Okay, you have to answer things the way I'm writing them. Crazy. All right, now here we have all these numbers, and then we're asked to find out how many fishes we're supposed to know after 2 years. Well, what am I supposed to plug in to find that out? I wonder. I wonder what we're supposed to plug in for X. I, well, I wonder what we're supposed to plug in for X. Oh, really? So, in the event that it says like triples every 3 months or doubles, something like that, I will automatically do this calculation and tell you what to plug in for X. I think I told y'all this the other day when we had the chickens problem. Hey Nola, do you know why chicken jokes are funny? Because all right, so no, no, I just had breakfast. Oh my gosh, you literally watched me had a donut in my coffee. You creep. Why are you staring at me eating my coffee? I hope you can. If not, you need to go see a doctor. All right, there's all those fishes. What? Oh, y'all don't like this or y'all don't like the hyperness? I don't care. You know what? There's lots of stuff that goes in this classroom right now that I'm just kind of tired of. So I'm just battling it the way I can. They don't let. Well, you know what? I can't really discipline y'all, and I can't really use the words that I want to use to a lot of people. So I'll just do it the way I can. Oh no, no, no. That's not the way people really should be disciplined. What? What? Okay. All right. Man, these charts are so hard. All right. I had 19 people ask me yesterday, where did I get the numbers on the bottom? I if I have questions later today, I might say eBay or Amazon or what's the other one? The Timu. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I don't care. Words are hard. The Dollar General, the Dollar General Market. Ooh, I don't know. I think Redbox has went out of business. At all the WalMarts, I I don't go inside of Publix. That's kind of too high class for me. All right. So we were very close to finding our y-intercept, but we didn't get there. I wonder what photomath looks like when you try to take a picture of this. Let's see. That way I'm ready for it. It doesn't give you the stuff that we're doing. Womp womp. All right. Now, for this part 7, I don't know what I would do. I would probably just grab this and put it in here. Uh, part 8. Hello. I said hello. Okay. Golly. Rude. All right. So I guess I would grab this and I'd put it right. All right. So moving on to part 9. Almost done. Yeah. All right. So I purposely made this one different than all the other problems than you've seen before. No, wait. No, crap. I thought I did this one different, but I didn't. Never mind. Okay. I thought I was dividing. Oh well. No, it's not. It's not. All right. So I thought I was dividing. Oh well, but I was subtracting. So it's going this way. It looks like we are subtracting by 5. Correct? All right. So that means this is arithmetic. That means our m is -5. So our formula, a of n equals -5 to the n. Now, to find this, we have to take our first term, which is 30, do the opposite. So 35. What do we go back one? All right, so this is our first term. Okay. Yeah, so that's like our when x equals 1, we got to find when x equals 0. Yeah. All right. And I would probably grab this and put it here. Now for let's see, I'll put this down here. For part 9, again, I did something crazy. I put the notes. I know some of y'all were like, but I was at this event on the day that you covered this. Well, yes, it is. What's funny is every time somebody is out for like sports or field trips or something like that, your coach or teacher or whoever's in charge of you says they are responsible for the material that they missed. Okay? So, yep. Now, I don't know about other teachers, but I try to help you out because my stuff is available 24/7, 365. Oh, she fine. No, that's 369. Okay, wrong thing. All right. So, all right. And that's our last review. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.